Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate peppermint bark cupcakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Plus, lots of bonus videos up until Christmas. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a muffin pan with cupcake liners and set it aside for now. Then into a sifter over a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and sift the ingredients into the bowl. You will have to use a spoon to push the brown sugar through. And whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the egg, buttermilk, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then add in the very hot or boiling water, and mix it in until it's combined. Pour the batter evenly into each cupcake cup, filling them up 3/4 full. And bake them in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center of one of them comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then you need to make half a batch of my best ever chocolate buttercream frosting. I'll put a link to that video in the description box, and I'll also put the measurements for half the recipe in the description box. And you also need to substitute peppermint extract for the vanilla extract. Then you need peppermint bark. I showed how to make this in a previous video, and I'll link to it in the description box. And you need to chop up some of it into small pieces. Once the cupcakes are completely cooled, pipe or spread the frosting on top of them. Sprinkle some chopped up peppermint bark on top of each one. And finish them off by adding a piece of peppermint bark into each one. And that's how to make chocolate peppermint bark cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.